Hi, Orange Girl here with an unboxing video. I cannot wait to show you what I got in the mail from Clique Kits today. All right, here we go. 2019 February Clique Kit called Moonlight Sonata is full of the Midnight collection by Cocoa Vanilla. So let's go through and see what the pattern papers look like first. So this is called Bloom and Grow. This is the A side. Or maybe this is the A side. Oh, geez. It is so pretty. Holy smokes. Can you see that? Literally, this is the first I've looked at it. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh, beautiful. All right. Shine Bright. This must be the B side. Just because of this strip, I'm thinking. I don't really know how that works, but it's beautiful. Inspired. Oh, look at that. So the corners have prettiness. Oh, it looks so pretty. And Mixed Blessing. So this kind of looks like a star if you look at it one way. You can see other things in there. Nice soft print. Oops. And this is the cut apart side. 3x4s and 4x6s. This has a nice script. It is called, I don't know, Moonlight. There you go. And this mixed media side is the A side. Okay, so the B side here is All the Things. And another cut apart sheet. Live the life you love. Let joy be your compass. Bloom, so lovely. Every moment matters. Shine bright. Awesome. Labels. B side, Inky Depths. And then the A side has a beautiful little floral, tiny floral. Beautiful. Sunset Strip. Looks like marble, kind of. And then the other side looks like a sunset. Oh, beautiful. I can see why it's called that. This is Sophisticated. And then a black and white floral that looks very similar to this floral. Not exactly the same, but very similar, just in the black and white. Okay, so I always like to do this. Here are the A sides. Wow! And here are the B sides. Beautiful. Lots of navy and pinks and neutral, almost neutral, like neutral colors that are with lots of beautiful pops of color. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Okay, so within this, we have the Pinkfresh Studio journaling spots, and they have, I'm opening them to show you that they have gold foil on them, and there are a lot of big like tags, circles, lots of journaling spots that you could use in Project Life. You could use it in a layout, you could use it in a mini book, all kinds of things like that. Okay. Lots of gold foil on these. And those are Pinkfresh Studio, and they match just beautifully. Here is the ephemera pack from Cocoa Vanilla. It has 57 pieces. Lots of florals, but of course it all matches. There are some that are a little more neutral, and then some with pops of color. We've got a couple frames. This makes another frame here, and then love this. Show you some more here. Oh, I like the little tabs. I always like that. Let's see what else. Oh, here's another frame, Bloom and Grow. So this, if you don't know about Cocoa Vanilla Studio, I mean, it's not as available in the United States sometimes because it's a little bit more expensive because it's shipping from Australia. So I was super excited because I can't always get my hands on it quickly that this was in the kit, because I always love working with cocoa vanilla products. And so I was super excited that this was what was in the kit this month. This is kind of like a, I'm going to say like a gem. All right, cool. More tags. Oh, look at her. She's very cute and pretty. All right, so there you go. So those are all of those die cuts. And I know you can't see them all, but you get the idea. Lots of florals, lots of pinks and orange, kind of oranges and navies. I could totally see doing a layout with this really dark, it's like a navy, but it's almost like a gray as well. And I could totally see using a layout with all of those, just like colors like that, and then like these right here, and then adding a few pops of color to it. So this is also from the Midnight Collection. I like it. I mean, it's called the Midnight Collection, so I'm assuming that's why it's this color. This isn't really a black. It is almost a navy, kind of a dark charcoal gray. That's what I would call it. Is more of a navy. I wouldn't call it black. I don't know if it shows up on the camera or not, but so lots and lots and lots of our all shine memories, the bright you and me, love things, happy you and sweet family, beautiful heart days, moments, this all together story of us. So it's a little Valentine-y. Let's call it that. I mean, you could use it as Valentine-y. And sharing love, but boy, you surely wouldn't have to at all. Like, that's one of the things that I like about this kit, because I'm not really a super themey person, and so sometimes when the themey stuff comes out, I don't always want to attach myself to that. I'll buy it, but I won't necessarily use it. Okay, so these are like little gems. They're like little enamel dots, but they have, I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but they're faceted. They have little, like a gem. That's all I can say is to describe it. Those are cute. And they go with it. And a glassine bag. I always use those. Let's see what else we have here. This is the sticker sheet, a 6x12 sticker sheet. It has tons of words, which I love it when that happens. Butterflies, flowers, hearts. And then this is the alpha that comes with it. It is Fairy Tales, what it's called. Oh, so pretty. And then last but not least, these are little wood pieces, and I think they're double-sided here. What I mean by that is this side has a little bit of a print on it. This side, which is sticky, but if you could rub the stick off, I wonder if you could, then you could use just the neutral side if you wanted. I don't know if you can or not, but it looks like wood, you know, and it like even bark looking. Pretty, pretty, pretty stuff. And this one says Home Sweet Home. This one says Beekeeping, and it has a little bumblebee on it. I wonder if I can use that with my lovely daughter being named Bee. And then last but not least, this is from Bramble Fox, and it is shimmery. I like it. It says Love You. It's pink. Just trying to see if you can see the shimmer. Kind of pearly shimmery. All right, that's the kit for this month. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video. I'm going to shut this off so I can get started making stuff.